Hey, what is up everyone? It's your boy Magic Man. Today I'm showing you an amazing card trick tutorial. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'll take a card, so let's say the Four of Hearts, and I'll just wave my hand over the card, and it actually changes into the Ace of Spades, just like that. And then it magically changes back to the Four of Hearts. So I'm going to teach you guys this color change. Okay guys, so here's the tutorial on the color change. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh, this is the Erdnase color change. I've seen this on every single magician's YouTube channel. I know you're thinking that, but it's okay. If you've already seen this, then just leave. But if you've never seen this video or this color change, then stick around, because this is going to be a great tutorial to do a very easy and effective color change. So here's the tutorial. So what you're going to need to do is get a double lift. So I'll leave a link below for a tutorial on that. So you're going to do a double lift, any kind of double lift, it doesn't matter. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your hand like this and put it on top of the card. Then you're going to take your index finger and split it like this. Now what you're going to do is push the card forward a tiny bit, just so that you can get this peak right under the card, just this tiny bit. So once you push that forward, they're not going to see this because your hand is covering it, covering this part. And then the palm, this part of your hand right here, it's going to contact that right there, the Four of Hearts, and it's going to pull it down like this into a palm like thing. Now this isn't really a palm, because as you can see, if I let go of it off the deck, it's just gonna fall over. But I'll teach you in a sec how you get it to stay in your hand. So you're gonna push this again forward to just about this, and then you're going to contact your hand to that part of the card, and you're just gonna slide it out, and you're gonna keep that on the deck. Keep that part of the card on the deck like that. Now you're gonna use this finger, your index finger, push the Ace of Spades back, and you could just go ahead and just push this card right over and just reveal. You can do that if you would like, but what I like to do is once you've got that card into that palm like thing, you want to rub it on the corner. See how the corner there, and I can like move my hand around on there without them seeing anything. So you can move your hand around, kind of like waving your hand, and then after you're waving your hand, by the way, it's contacting this corner of the deck, so around this middle part of the card, and you're just going to wave your hand over it, and then you can finally reveal it when you would like, just like that, by just putting the card over and letting go. And once you are done with that, you are left dirty with this card underneath. Now what you can do to that is just simply riffle up two cards right here and then do another double lift. Or you can what else can you do? I guess you can do this move where you are sort of doing a double lift, so you have the two cards here. I wouldn't, like, you can't really, obviously you can't push that off because you're going to flash, so I would recommend just riffling up or doing a pinky count, one of those two. And once you do that, you're going to hold the card right here, and both cards, by the way, this is a double, and you're going to slide it down to about here, and then these fingers holding the deck right here, these ones that are moving very weirdly, are going to contact the back of the card like this. And what's going to happen is from the front it just looks like this. Just looks like you're going to go like this. But what I've done is I've actually stripped off that extra card. So again, here you go. So you're going to peel this off down to here. Finger's going to contact that. And then what I'm going to do is actually just keep those fingers on there, and pull it out and just maybe just rub it with my thumb. That's what I like to do. It's kind of an excuse to do that. And then, so it's pretty easy. So you just remember to just keep those fingers to pull it out, and then do that with your thumb, and then you can reveal that. Another thing you could do is you could just do it on the back, so you don't have to do any cleanup or anything, like just like this, and then do it. That was kind of bad, but you get the idea. And then you could do this in a trick, so you could like maybe, you know, have a card here, you know, have this selected card here, and then maybe like that. Okay. That was horrible. Okay, I'm just gonna do something else. So you show the card, you somehow control it to the top. I'm just gonna do that so I don't mess up something again. So once you just want to control the card to the top, then you can do a double lift and act like you found their card and be like, I found your card, or I don't know, whatever you want to say. And then they're gonna say, that's not my card, and then you can do that change right there. Okay, that was bad, but anyways, you get the idea. This is kind of a bad deck, so that's the reason why I'm messing up. I would not mess this up in performance. But that is the color change. It is pretty useful in the sleight of hand world, and it is very easy. So go ahead, get yourself a deck, and make sure that is very blurry. Make sure to practice that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, go practice this move. That was kind of cool. And I'll see you guys next time.